all around? Hi friends, Aditya Kamath here. Welcome to my channel Adi Advik Tutorials. So, can you guess what topic we are going to discuss today? So, let me give you a clue. I had mentioned it in the beginning of the video. Can you guess it? Yes, you guessed it right. It is a topic on numbers. So, are numbers all around? Let's see. No, not here. No, not here too. There are numbers all around is not true, because I can't see anywhere numbers. Can you? No? Okay. Anyway, let's discuss about the topic numbers. So today we are going to cover what are numbers, history of numbers, uses of numbers. So let's go through these topics through history of mankind. So humans at that time wanted to represent everything. So they found a way to represent everything, almost everything. So let's take a basket here. There are 3 oranges, 2 fruits, 2 apples, 5 fruits in total. So they used natural numbers to represent almost everything, not everything. I will say you why it is not everything. So 5 fruits in total. So natural numbers consist of numbers from 1 to infinity. Let's again take our basket which we kept aside before. So in the basket I have removed the 5 fruits, all 5 fruits. See, it is here, right here. So now what is there further in the basket? We have removed everything, so there is nothing, right? So if there is nothing, humans wanted to represent everything. So they also wanted to represent nothing, and it was a unique number. They discovered a unique number which you know now as 0. As humans evolved, technology grew. I am talking about the creation of banks, transactions, loans. So when people borrowed loans, they had to pay the money which is negative in their balance. Their balance went negative. So we needed another set of numbers, so that so that there wasn't any confusion, like had to return the money or to take the money. So they used another set of numbers, so which consisted of minus 1 to minus infinite, 0, and the natural numbers, you know. So this set of numbers was called integers. So these numbers were enough, right? Done, no? So enough, no? La 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 la. Oh, hi. So we have invented so many numbers, like whole numbers, natural numbers, and integers. So it is enough, I think. So let's eat some pizza. Very tired. So let's slice the pizza into 2 pieces. How to represent a pizza with 2 pieces? I can't represent it by 1, 2. I don't have 2 pizzas. I have only 2 slices of pizza. So I think we should invent another number. Saw that video clip? So yeah, we were wrong. We need more numbers so that we can represent. So they again thought how to represent the number, like slice in the pizza, 2 slices. they can't take it as a whole. If they take it as 2 whole, it is like 2 pizzas, and they had only 1 pizza, right, which is sliced. So they thought again for a long time. Then they came up with another set of numbers, which is rational numbers and fractions. Both are almost same, but there are some differences. So I am not going to discuss about it, but that is the question of the day for you. So let's continue. So I will post a video on fractions and rational numbers a few days later, because I will explain it briefly in that video. So let's understand the basics of fractions and rational numbers. So they are represented in the form p by q, part by total, and numerator by denominator. So if you are taking 2 slices of 8 sliced pizza, then the part by total is, the 2 slices is the part, so 2 by the 8 slices in total, which is the total, so 2 by 8, 2 of 8 slices, or 2 by 8. So this is the basics, and also these are commons between fractions and rational numbers. So I am going to end. No. I have a challenge for you guys. So you should find numbers around your house. Yeah, really. Numbers are all around. It's true. Strange things happen to be true. So you should find numbers around your house and provide your answers in the comment section. So I will be waiting. Do you know all fractions are rational numbers, but all rational numbers are not fractions? Hi guys, so that's it for the day. So how was the session today? Aren't numbers really fascinating? Good guys, we learned today so much about numbers. So if you like this video, like it, and if you share it to others so that they can also learn about numbers, and subscribe to this, make sure to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out any future updates on this channel. So bye friends, that's it for now. So bye, see you later. Remember, I have challenged you, and answer the questions in the comment section, okay? Bye for now.